They need to explain how America, with all its wealth and know-how, has the world's highest COVID-19 death toll. And today, Donald Trump's health secretary, former pharmaceutical lobbyist Alex Azar, told the World Health Organization it was partly to blame.
We must be frank about one of the primary reasons this outbreak spun out of control. There was a failure by this organization to obtain the information that the world needed, and that failure cost many lives.
Then, though he didn't name China, it was clear who he was talking about.
In an apparent attempt to conceal this outbreak, at least one member state made a mockery of their transparency obligations, with tremendous cost for the entire world.
China stands accused of covering up the outbreak at first and lying about its severity. But it was able to launch an unprecedented lockdown, which others have been able to follow. The Chinese President Xi Jinping seemed eager to try and seize the moral high ground as he too addressed the WHO meeting by teleconference.
In order to boost international cooperation against COVID-19, I would like to announce that China will provide $2 billion over 2 years to help with the COVID-19 response and with social and economic development in affected countries, especially developing countries.
Donald Trump says he's not speaking to Xi Jinping currently, even more so now probably. While he's cut hundreds of millions of dollars of funding to the World Health Organization, China's just massively increased its contribution to fighting the pandemic. Used to America's support and funding in the past, the World Health Organization was today having to defend itself from the unprecedented US attack.
The world doesn't need another plan, another system, another mechanism, another committee, or another organization. It needs to strengthen, implement, and finance the systems and organizations it has, including WHO.
America was one of the World Health Organization's biggest champions and funders. Under this president, it's abdicated that role, and China is eager to fill the vacuum. Ironically, the country where coronavirus originated could find its global standing and influences boosted in the aftermath of this pandemic. Dominic Waghorn, Sky News.